Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Reviews First. Are you looking for the top 5 best 3-channel dash cams in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 3-channel dash cams in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The REDTIGER F17 Elite 4K dash cam delivers premium, all-around protection with its advanced 3-channel recording system, capturing the road ahead, rear view, and vehicle interior at the same time. Powered by Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 and IMX675 sensors, it records stunning 4K plus 2.5K plus 1080p footage with exceptional clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. The full night color technology ensures vivid, detailed videos after dark, helping you clearly capture license plates, faces, and critical moments. Equipped with a pre-installed 128GB memory card, the F17 Elite is ready to use right out of the box and supports loop recording to ensure continuous coverage. Voice control allows hands-free operation, letting you take photos or lock important videos without distraction. Built-in G-sensor technology automatically detects collisions and locks emergency footage to prevent overwriting. Whether for daily commuting, rideshare driving, or long road trips, the REDTIGER F17 Elite provides reliable security, peace of mind, and professional-grade video quality every time you drive. Number 2. The Viofo A329S 4K 3-channel dashcam is built for drivers who want complete, premium protection on every journey. It delivers stunning 4K front recording, paired with a 2K cabin fisheye camera featuring a wide 210 degrees field of view, and a 2K rear camera, ensuring no blind spots, inside or out. Powered by all-channel Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, the A329S captures exceptional clarity day and night, even in challenging lighting conditions. Designed for smart efficiency, its power-saving parking mode keeps your vehicle protected around the clock without draining your battery. When motion or impact is detected, recording activates instantly to capture critical evidence. The built-in Wi-Fi 6 enables faster, more stable connections, allowing seamless video playback, downloads, and settings control through the intuitive Viofo mobile app. Whether you're commuting, ride-sharing, or taking long road trips, the Viofo A329S provides reliable coverage, advanced technology, and peace of mind, making it a powerful, future-ready dashcam solution for modern drivers. Number 3. The TERUNSOUl 4K plus 1080p 3-channel dashcam is designed for drivers who want complete confidence on the road and while parked. With ultra-clear dual 4K front and rear cameras, plus a 1080p interior camera, it captures every detail, license plates, road signs, and in-car activity, with stunning clarity. The 170-degree wide-angle lens minimizes blind spots, giving you full coverage in busy traffic or tight parking spaces. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6, this dashcam offers faster, more stable video transfers straight to your smartphone, making playback and sharing effortless. The built-in GPS accurately records your speed and route, while the G-sensor automatically locks critical footage during sudden impacts or collisions. For round-the-clock protection, the 24H parking mode keeps watch over your vehicle even when the engine is off. To get you started right away, a free 128GB memory card is included. Reliable, smart, and powerful, the TERUNSOUl dashcam is your trusted eyewitness on every journey. Number 4. The Vantrue N4 Pro S4K 3-channel dashcam is a premium all-in-one solution designed for drivers who want complete protection and crystal-clear footage. Powered by triple STARVIS 2 sensors, it records stunning 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p interior video, capturing critical details like license plates and faces in any driving condition. The flexible recording modes allow 4K plus 2.5K dual-channel or full 3-channel coverage, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed inside or outside your vehicle. With HDR technology and advanced IR night vision, the N4 Pro S delivers exceptional clarity in low light, making it ideal for night driving, rideshare drivers, and long trips. Voice control adds hands-free convenience, letting you lock videos or take photos without distraction. Built-in GPS tracks speed and location, while 24-hour parking mode support helps safeguard your vehicle even when parked. Reliable, powerful, and intelligently designed, the Vantrue N4 Pro S offers professional-grade security for everyday driving. Number 5. The Rove R3 Dashcam is a powerful 3-channel camera system designed to capture every moment on the road with clarity and confidence. Featuring front, rear, and cabin cameras, it records simultaneously in 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p, ensuring sharp details from every angle. The 3-inch IPS touchscreen offers an intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate settings and review footage on the go. Equipped with IR night vision, the cabin camera delivers clear recordings even in complete darkness, perfect for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone who wants added security. The Rove R3 also includes 5 GHz Wi-Fi, enabling ultra-fast downloads at speeds of up to 30 MB/s, so you can quickly transfer videos to your smartphone without hassle. Advanced features like loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and parking monitoring provide reliable protection whether you're driving or parked. Sleek, compact, and packed with smart technology, the Rove R3 Dashcam is a dependable all-in-one solution for safety, accountability, and peace of mind on every journey.